Bonjour, fellow food lovers. Ready to take your taste buds on a culinary journey to France? Let's dive into the top 10 French recipes that you absolutely can't miss. Trust me, these dishes will have you feeling like a master chef in your own kitchen. First up, we have the classic French onion soup. Imagine the sweetness of caramelized onions enveloped in a rich beef broth, topped with a crispy, cheesy crouton. Simply irresistible. Next, who can resist the flaky, buttery goodness of a croissant? Baked to golden perfection, it's the ideal start to any morning. Pair it with a café au lait, and you're practically in Paris. Moving on, let's talk about coq au vin. This dish is a beautiful symphony of chicken, slowly cooked in red wine with mushrooms, onions, and sometimes a touch of bacon. The flavors, they meld together to create something truly magical. And of course, we can't forget about ratatouille. This vegetable stew highlights the simplicity and elegance of French cuisine with zucchini, eggplant and bell peppers, each slice soaking up the herby tomato sauce. Now, let's satisfy that sweet tooth with crème brûlée. The joy of cracking into the caramelized sugar top to reveal the creamy custard beneath is a treat like no other. But that's not all. We've got bouillabaisse, a seafood lover's dream with its rich saffron-infused broth. Then there's cassoulet, a hearty bean stew with duck or sausage, perfect for those colder nights. For something a bit lighter, try the Niçoise salad. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it packs a punch with flavors from olives, tuna, and a zesty vinaigrette. Don't overlook the Tarte Tatin, an upside-down pastry that features caramelized apples. Absolutely divine. And rounding out our list is the decadent chocolate soufflé. With its rich, airy texture, it's a sophisticated dessert that's sure to impress at any dinner party. So there you have it, my top 10 French recipes that will bring the charm of French dining right into your home. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, these dishes promise to deliver pleasure and a bit of French flair to your dining table. Bon appétit and happy cooking!